Okay, so let's see how we can set some restrictions both on a computer or an individual user of a computer. So I'm going to pull up here to restrictions, and the first thing I'm going to do is program restriction profiles. So if I pull down to programs and I click on all programs, if you're on started, click on all programs, this will show all the programs on that particular computer. So let's say that a little student is getting on the internet, avoiding Internet Explorer and going to Firefox. So I'm going to pull down here and I see Mozilla Firefox. Notice that there are two different versions of it. I want to move both of those versions over by clicking on them and clicking here, add to restrictions. Once this is in the restricted area, if I accidentally get the wrong one in, I can click here to delete that particular restriction, or I can clear all the restrictions for a particular user. Okay, so Firefox is now disabled. Let's take a look at some of these things. Add is disabled program, right? And keep restriction active after restart. That means if the little kiddo sits down there again tomorrow, it's still going to be disabled unless I come in here and re-enable it. Now I can also apply to the current user only. That way, only if kiddo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sits down here will it be restricted for him. If kiddo 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sits down, Firefox will not be disabled. Now the only way I can re-enable this is going into here, choosing that computer, and re-enabling this and taking that restriction off. Otherwise, it's restricted for good for that kid on that computer. Click on Apply Immediately and you're good to go.